In order to experience gratitude, we can recall or think of people, places, situations, or things in our lives that we're genuinely thankful for. Let's begin by calming the body and mind. When you're ready, let's sit comfortably and gently close your eyes. Release all tension in the physical body and begin to relax. Relax the muscles in the forehead, around the eyes, the temples, and the eyes themselves. Unhinge the jaw and relax the whole face. Relax all the muscles of the abdomen, allowing the body to breathe naturally. Placing your mind gently at the center of the body, begin to think of whatever it is you're grateful for. It can be anything. A person, a place, an item, a situation, an experience, anything at all that you're grateful for, that you can easily visualize. As you see these images arising in the mind's eye, begin to notice what feelings are associated with them. Sense the feeling of gratitude growing softly and steadily within the body. Stay with these feelings as we continue in silence. Now let us take in one more deep breath, feeling the gratitude you have for your object of choice, radiating from the center. Slowly and gently coming back, opening your eyes in your own time. Take your time. You don't need to completely come out yet. Notice how you feel right now that we have finished our meditation.